All right, guys, so check it out. We got another MPP Highland Coilover conversion kit that we're installing on a Quicksilver Model 3 Performance Highland Edition. So we've got obviously the coilover conversion kit, we've got the rear camera arms, and we have some Aspira spacers here to flesh out his fitment. Now, one thing I wanted to mention to you guys in this video, come on over here. So MPP in their instructions indicated that they had one instance where the outer diameter of the factory front damper was slightly smaller than all the rest. So we do recommend that you guys measure your dampers before you take it apart so that you guys can confirm exactly what the OD is, and it should be a 54.2. If it is less than 54.2, if it's 54, then you're going to want to contact MPP so they can send you a different set of locking collars or sleeves. They have a different part. So we've got, it's 54.13. Let me reset this, zero that out. Let's put this back in here. I did measure this beforehand. All right, so we're there. Let's lock this thing in. Yeah, about 54.12. So this is bigger, so it should be fine. I did measure it before and I did get 54.2. In fact, we have one damper down here on the ground that we've already pulled out. So I could just check this one as well. Yep, it's close, 54.15. All right, so there you go, guys. Don't forget to do that. We're going to get these things on the car. Now, this car did not actually have a positive rake, so that's interesting. So we're going to set this up like we've done on all the rest and see if it matches the other ride heights or if we're going to have to make adjustments. So let's get it going. All right, guys, so another one for the books, MPP Highland Coilover conversion kit with MPP rear camera arms and Aspira spacers for his 20x9, 20x10 warp wheels. Now, we're not on even pavement here, but on the rack, this thing's perfectly level now. He's got a 2-finger gap all the way around. I got to tell you, I got to drive this one a little bit more in the standard setting for suspension. Man, this thing rides so freaking good. So good. It's amazing. I implore you guys, if you guys have a Highland Model 3 Performance, to check out this product. It's around 960 bucks, but the installation is straightforward. It's a phenomenal product. Allows you to set your ride height where you want it to be. This is my favorite position. When I get my car back from Tesla service, this is where I'm going to set my car up. And yeah, dude, I can't tell you guys how awesome this MPP product is. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We'll put links in the description below to all of these products, and we'll catch you on the next one.